Hello everyone, I'm Kimberly and this is Memaw's Crafts and Chaos. And today I am going to try a technique that I seen on Daniel Cooper's channel. It's number 327 and he calls it the best resin art technique ever. He says in that one that he learned it from somebody else's channel, but I can't remember what he said, who it was. So I know he said that she doesn't make videos anymore, but of course she still has a channel out there. So I'm going to use this mold. I got this mold at Hobby Lobby. I've seen lots of people have this exact same mold. I believe Daniel even has this mold. And I'm also going to use Little Windows cabochon mold. I love Little Windows. She has beautiful molds. These are gorgeous molds when they're done. These little things even cover them up so they, like, for dust, so you don't get dust in them when you're done. She has a really pretty brochure that goes with it to tell you all about it, all about her molds. She has the cutout thing so that you can cut out exactly the size you need if you're putting something on the back. Anyway, you should go check her out. She has a channel where she demonstrates a lot of her stuff, and go check out her website and that, and order you some molds and stuff from her. So I wanted to do this right, so I even ordered the Let's Resin stuff. See, it even has Daniel's cute little face right there. And I wanted to make sure I got the exact same stuff that he used. Got my alcohol inks. These, when you get these, are you get the two bottles, the A and the B parts, and then you do get some stir sticks and some of these little things in the box. So it's good, and you wouldn't be using this for everything, so you would just be using it for stuff like this or the Petri effect or whatever you're doing. So I'm going to go get some resin mixed up, and then I will meet you back here, and we'll get them poured and dripped. You got to do your got to have your sinker white that you're going to put, and we're going to put that directly in the resin. I know with the Petri effect you drip it on the back. This one we're going to mix in the resin and then put it on the back. So I will be right back in a second. Okay, I'm back. I poured these, I got my resin mixed up, did my white. I put probably about 15 drops of white in there, got it mixed up. I ran it all through my vacuum chamber, and I went ahead and poured these because I spend more time dipping out because I get them too full, and I didn't want to make you guys sit through all that. So they're just poured. You don't pour them all the way up because you got to have room for your alcohol inks and your white. So you don't want to get them too full. So I'm just going to start dropping some inks. We're just going to drop them randomly. I'm not in any special order or anything like that. We're just going to kind of get it, some in each one. Try to do it as fast as we can so that I'm not taking up too much time. I just picked some random colors of alcohol inks to do. You do want the alcohol inks to cover the whole back of your cabochon, so you might have to, like, add a little more here and there. I'm using mostly all Let's Resin alcohol inks, and then I don't even know how to say this brand. I would kill it. I'm sorry. I won't even try, but I'll list it in my description box. I didn't really care for that color, so I'm not going to drop any more. But I do like the Let's Resin brand for this. They tend to spread a little better than most of them. Hopefully I don't drop ink in any one that don't have any. So I'm just going to kind of keep going around here. I might put you on a little fast forward just so you don't have to sit and watch every little thing in real time. Okay, so now we're just going to add some white to them. You kind of want to make, you don't have to cover every little inch, but you do want most of it covered. And you can do like drips or, you know, just any kind of random, however you want to do it. You can go drips, you can go dots, you can go back and forth. It doesn't matter. You can just do it kind of however you want, just so that you're getting your white in there. Well, it looks like that was just about the right amount. Barely. I wish I had just a little bit more for that one, but it is what it is. All right. Okay, we got to let these sit, and then when it starts to get tacky, when you dip your whatever in and then you pull it out and you get like a stringy effect, that's when you want to stir them. So I will be back when it's time to stir. Okay, so these are doing the thing where you poke it and it gets the stringy thing on it. So we're going to stir them, and then we'll wait for them to cure to demold them. So all I'm going to do is just stir in different directions. You just stick your stick not in very far, and then come straight out so that you're leaving you're not making a mess in there. And you can stir them any way you want. You can stir in circles. You can stir back and forth.
For a second there, I thought you were talking to me. It's like, why would I need to stir them?
We're just going to keep doing this until we have them all done. Come on, go. So you can see on my stick, I'm not going in very deep, just kind of just the very tip of my toothpick there. Okay, got them all stirred, so I will wait for them to cure and then I will be back. Okay guys, these are all cured up. I'm excited to see if they worked. I hope they did. I want to save these ones for last because I want to see how these ones turned out the most. But let's see. Ooh, so pretty. I actually did it. Got the cloud effect in there. I don't know if you're getting a glare on that or not. Ooh, see, we got the cloud effect. Oh my, that one's pretty. Look at that one. So pretty. As I throw it across the room. Okay. Oh, that one turned out good. Look at that one. I'm going to turn my light off and see if that helps with the glare, because I know we're getting a glare on them. Oh, that one's cool. Cool. Ooh, look at the colors in that one. That one's really good. I like that one. That one's not my favorite. I'm not digging the dark color that's coming up off of that one. That one's pretty. Now that one is interesting. Really interesting. I don't like the orange on the side of that one. Don't really like the colors in that one. The effect is good in it, but I don't like the colors. Or the colors in that one either. Some of these have some, I wonder if that was in my mold, those little spots, but there's some spots on that one. I don't like the colors in that one either. Not that one either. I mean, the effects are good on them. I just don't like the colors. That one's kind of cool. Like that one. It's okay. There's that one. This is the one I didn't stir. That's definitely different. So if you don't stir, you're definitely going to get a totally different look. That's actually kind of nifty looking though. So we did get the cloud effect. They're not as cool as what Daniel's turned out, but now in this mold, these are really pretty because this is a better mold. Really pretty because you get more, they're more shiny. Even though I don't really care for the colors in that one's pretty. Ooh, I like that one too. Almost looks like I might have had some little specks of white sink to the very bottom because they're all kind of like that. Unless I had something in all my molds, which I can't imagine them being in all my molds. So yeah, it almost looks like I had little pieces of white that maybe wasn't mixed as good or something. Sink to the very bottom. It has to be because it's in almost every single one of them. That one's pretty neat. Last two. Wow, that was kind of lots of different colors in it. I don't know about that one. But at least I tried something. But I did have I had a few others that I had tried a while back that I wasn't sure about, but they're not bad. Like this one and this one I didn't stir. Those are the two I didn't stir. But they're not bad. This one is, I don't like this one at all. That one, I kind of did a pull. I just kind of pulled through it instead of stirring around. But these, I didn't get the drop down on them like I did those. So I must not have mixed my pigment or something good enough with those. But I really like this one. I like that one. And this one's dark, but it's really kind of pretty. So anyway, so there is all my little put these back up here. Is that the ones? Yeah. So anyway, that's my experiment. They're not bad. I did pretty good, I think. I got some good ones, and I could make some jewelry out of them to, you know, on the ones that look really nice. But anyway, just want to say thank you to Daniel for putting that out on his video. And I'd like to thank all my subscribers. I love each and every one of you. You guys are so great, and I appreciate you all. And for watching my videos, that means so much to me. And watching my videos from start to finish, that helps a lot. Liking and commenting, you know, giving a thumbs up and commenting, that helps videos, helps everybody's videos. And also just want to make sure that you guys all know that you watching my videos and being a subscriber and all of that means the world to me. This has been a long journey. It's going very slowly, but we're getting there. We're getting there. So anyway, I just want to say I love each and every one of you, and God bless you all. And don't forget, always embrace your chaos. Love you guys. Bye.